This is a fluid extractor. This is one of those things that it's a tool that you don't use all the time, but when you need it, it is super helpful. It does come with a couple extra O-rings if you end up needing that, but it's really easy to use. All you have to do is you put the tubing in there and it's locked into place, and then you've got a cap on this end. You just undo that, and then you just put it in whatever liquid you're trying to extract, pull it out, and that is it. Very simple. If you need an extra long tube, then it does kind of have this extension tube as well. And when you're done, you just push this in and it comes right out. I believe this was designed more for car things, for getting out oils or whatever fluids from cars, but I end up using it for actually a lot of things. One thing I use it for is I have a lot of evaporative coolers, and after a while it builds up a lot of scale, so I like to wash that out. But some of my evaporative coolers don't have a way to empty out the tank, so I use this to do it. It just makes things a lot easier. Overall, very happy with this. It works really well.